5. Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini offers a scientific yet approachable exploration into the realm of influence. As a professor of psychology, Cialdini successfully crafts a book accessible to the general reader, illustrating the concept of influence through the lens of compliance professionals, often seen as manipulators. The central idea revolves around how individuals, overwhelmed with information, resort to generalizations in decision-making, which these professionals adeptly manipulate for personal gain. Within this framework lie the 6 principles of influence, each accompanied by illustrative examples and guidance on ethical application in everyday situations. Cialdini's insights draw from over 35 years of personal research, lending credibility as all content has undergone peer review. However, a notable drawback emerges in the book's examples, primarily tailored to American marketing psychology. This might pose challenges for readers from other countries in relating to and grasping the context. Pros: information rooted in extensive research. Presents 6 principles of influence, easily understandable for the general reader. Cons: examples might lack relatability for non-American readers.